Hello, this is Vinny. I am making a couple videos here on mountain riding and gear. I have been mountain riding twice. I'm getting ready for my third trip now. When I first went, there is not very much unbiased opinions on gear. So when I was shopping for the first time I went out west, I was a little confused. So I'm making a couple videos here to hopefully help other people to either help confirm what they want to get or get them in the right direction as to what worked for me. Anyways, got 3 helmets here. This helmet is the first helmet I bought, open face. You know, first started snowmobiling when I was 18. Everybody's got to be cool with an open faced helmet. It's kind of a cheaper one, HJC. They have a lot of different grades. I'm not slamming the brand, just this particular helmet with goggles required a lot of adjustment. I found myself cold, bought no fogs, different balaclavas, different goggles. I could never get this helmet to work fine for me for snowmobiling. I used it for four-wheeling in the summer. Works great for that. Glad I have it. I ended up stepping up for Minnesota, a full-faced helmet. I've been using this for about 7-8 years. Absolutely love it. I ended up splurging a little bit later on a heated shield. Way to go for Minnesota. If you're trail riding, that is it. I still use it. That is my go-to helmet for Minnesota. When you go out west, you need an open-faced helmet. But unfortunately, you need one that fits. So you're going to have to pony up a little bit. I don't know much about different brands. I went with a 509. Climb, FXR, I'm sure HJC has some higher end items, anything like that. But what you need, a helmet that fits, and you need goggles that fit the helmet and your face, which is very much personal opinion. I went with 509 because 509 has a very big selection of goggles. So then there's a very good chance you're going to find goggles that fit the helmet and are also going to fit your needs. These particular goggles are polarized. The bridge nose is kind of soft on there, so it's a little easier on the nose. They seal up very well around the helmet. Sealing is everything. I also have the fan in there that just pops in. Those fans are about $65. That fan is very generic. I'm sure they're made in China for about $1. You can get them. I think there's some paintball goggles that use the same fan under a different brand, but it doesn't seem to matter where I've looked for them. I've tried to cross-reference them. They're $65. It doesn't matter where you go. What I do like about the 509 helmet on top of the goggles is when you first start mountain riding, when you're new at it, unlike trail riding where you leave your helmet on for 45 minutes to 2 hours at a time, mountain riding, you're going to get stuck. Your friends are going to get stuck. You're going to have to debate on what you're going to do. This one, instead of having the 2 D-rings on it, loop, swoop, and pull with the strap, this one, same thing, do the loop, swoop, pull with the 2 D-rings and the strap. The 509 has the fidlock connectors, which get lined up with magnets. One hand, I just connected that helmet strap. To release it, pull the red handle, or pull the little red tab. The thing comes apart, you pop the thing back off. You want to get it back on, just get the magnets close, and it locks in solid. A fidlock connector is only $6 at Michael's craft store. But if they put it on a helmet, it's a $90 upgrade. So it's a little deceiving, but I don't know how you stitch one and do it safe. But anyways, it was definitely worth it. I've used this helmet. This will be my 3rd year using it. I used it 2 years. This was the one big piece of equipment I splurged on when I started. I'm happy I did it. Buy something that fits. You'll be fog-free, you'll be comfortable, and you'll have a good time. That is what I got on that. If you've got any questions, I'll be happy to answer them. Like I said, not a video maker, not a YouTuber here, just trying to help anybody else out that I can. Thank you. Bye.